மாணவர்களின் சிந்தனைகளை வடிவமைக்க SNS Institutions, மாணவர்களின் தனித்திறமைகளை மேம்படுத்த SNS Institutions, மாணவர்களின் சாதனைகளை போற்றும் SNS Institutions கோவை.
Hi, good morning everyone. So this is me Vijay Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In this month we are discussing about different kind of robotic automations and then all those things. So this topics covers the subject name electrical machines for robotics and automation. So in this segment we are briefly explain what is meant by robots and then how the robots are made, and also what is the main purpose of robots, what is the advantages, what is the disadvantages, and also what is the requirements for selecting the motors as well as sensors, and then how the robots are communicating each other, and then all those things. So today I will try to explain in a real-time applications of a best robotic automation thing. So I know, I hope you know the machines. So this machine is called a portable 3D printers. So the 3D printers, maybe it has a small size to very higher amount of size, but this one is for a portable segment. So this portable segment will help to design a very minimal size of 3D printing models. So what is the purpose of the 3D printers? So for example, I am going to design one different kind of products. We need a case, or otherwise we need some kind of proof of concept or a physical arrangements. In earlier days, they are designing some kind of aluminum patterns or iron based materials that has a very high cost, and also that consumes more amount of time, durations, and all those things. In order to avoid that, they are trying to make that kind of patterns and also that kind of proving concept in a plastic. So how the plastic materials are going to be make some such a wonderful products. So that's why they are invented a 3D printers. In this 3D printer, we have a different kind of motions also there, different kind of robotic arms also there. So 3D printer contains different kind of motors as well as a different kind of movements. It may be a X, Y, Z coordinations, and then all those things are inbuilt in a 3D printers. So for example, in this 3D printer, this is the bed. This bed is moving from linear motion. So front to, that means front to back and then back to front. So this kind of movements also there, and also we have a horizontal movement as well as a vertical movements. So horizontal movement, it has some kind of servo motors also there, and then vertical movement, it has a servo motors also there. So what is meant by servo motor, how the servo motors are working, all those things we will discuss in the next classes. Before that, this servo motor will help the 3D printer bed for moving forward vertical direction or a horizontal direction, and then all those things. And also some kind of injecting nozzles are there. So in this injecting nozzle will move from left to right or a horizontal or a vertical. And also it has some kind of bed movement, linear motion. So it will move from downward direction to upward direction, and also with the help of a gearing arrangements. So we know that gearing arrangement, the gear will help the products or help the motor to make some accuracy level of movement, and also it will give some based on the requirement, the gear will give some torque as well as a speed ratio. So we can change the speed as well as a torque ratio. So with the help of drive systems also we can change the speed and then torque, but the gearing system will give the high torque, and also it can change the any kind of speed as well as it can change the any kind of torque mechanism, all those things. So here LCD monitors also there. So this is a human interfacing systems, and also we have a knob. So this knob will give the speed of the 3D printing mechanisms, and also the inverter, the system is entire system will control the 3D printing models. The image is fed to the microcontroller. The microcontroller, based on the image, it will give the commands to the all kind of motors. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 motors also there. So the 6 motors are individually controlled by individual drives mechanisms, and also controlled by individual functionality based on the single microcontroller. So that microcontroller will give all the commands, and also it will give the conditions. Based on the condition, it will give the command, high command or a low command, and then how much amount of angle it will be moved from one direction to another direction. So this kind of things will help to make one product in a successful manner. So this is how the robotic automation is working, and I hope you will understand the concept. Thank you.